In this video, you'll learn how to quickly analyze real estate deals and make well-informed investment decisions from start to finish using PropStream's integrated calculators and tools. We'll explore costs, returns, and financing options using tools such as the ADU, Rehab, and rental ROI calculators, as well as the fix and flip analyzer and LoanGeek integration. To get started, log into your account and select a property. From the property details page, click on the Tools button to access the calculators. Let's begin with the rental ROI calculator. A pop-up will appear, organized into sections like property details, financing, revenue, operating costs, and growth assumptions, along with the following tabs like statements, pro forma, projections, and COC versus down payment. From there, enter your deal information step by step, and as you go, your key metrics will update in real time. Once complete, review your results to evaluate the property's rental performance. Next, return to the Tools menu and click Fix and Flip Analyzer. You can also access this from the Rental ROI Calculator. This analyzer guides you through each stage of a flip project. You'll input purchase, holding, sale, and selling costs, along with the Rehab log tab. As you enter your numbers, the tool calculates your projected profit, total expenses, and expected returns, helping you quickly evaluate the deal. Next, to get renovation estimates, open the Rehab Calculator. It will open in a new tab where you can start a new project or continue an existing one for the property you have saved. Once you select your project option, you'll need to enter your housing characteristics, including basic characteristics, features, and materials. Next, click Estimate New Project Costs and name your project. Click Let's Go, and from there, you'll see 3 options for adding items: complete remodel by area, search by popular projects, and search by individual actions. Begin entering your costs for each category to build a detailed rehab budget. The estimates are based on regional data, helping you stay aligned with current market conditions. After adding all the actions to your project, review the line items and customize quantities in the Project Details tab. Clicking an action lets you add or delete notes. Click Project Summary to see the estimated repair cost and the estimated do-it-yourself cost. Select Project Report to print this estimate or save it as a PDF. Now, let's look at the ADU calculator. Here, you can select the ADU type, enter the square footage, and choose the construction quality. You can also include optional features like HVAC or laundry. As you make selections, you'll see an automatic, detailed cost breakdown based on the regional averages. Now, for financing options, select LoanGeek. LoanGeek offers fast, transparent financing options for real estate investments. Once you click Continue, you'll be redirected to a new tab and asked to sign up for an account. Once you enter your information, you'll see a list of criteria, including your contact info, basic property info, property details, and additional property details. Your information will be shared with the LoanGeek team so they can assist you directly. LoanGeek's terms and privacy policy will apply. By using these tools together, you can analyze a property from multiple angles, whether you're renting, flipping, building, or looking for financing options. You can revisit these tools or any calculator at any time to adjust inputs and compare different scenarios. And that's it. With these tools, you can evaluate deals faster and make more confident investment decisions with PropStream. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for the latest news and updates on PropStream.